DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
Gang, 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 gang. What's good, YouTube gang? It's the boy Jambisco back in the lab with another banger. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, we're there with another reaction. And today, we're there with one Daddy Badness. You don't know where I deal with, man. Yeah, man, we're there with one Daddy Badness himself, Bob himself. It's a scamming over music himself. So dog I deal with today. Skippa, Interlude gang. Let's get it.
Pass me the on my phone. Skippa do him thing alone. Me just show about another load.
I like that little sample there. Damn, I like you, and I like them. He gave song I feel, you see me?
Is that you?
Gun there, I see him here. Just saw that he
I like this, bro. I like when Ansari go and sample the old school. I love that, nigga. I love, you can't go wrong with that. You know what I'm saying? Sampling greatness.
One drink left and I'm a cup. New buckle, I'm still a pour up. I'm a heart clean, but I don't show no love.
I said new buckle, I'm still a pour up. I'm heart clean. I don't show no love here, yeah?
You see a pray. So make a kill you all day, man a dream. I see my lockbox game. And anyway, you see me got the Glock dog day.
I say you see the priest, I mean you kill you all scheme and it. Holy shit, the man didn't like it, actually. You kill the whole team, Skippa.
I left you all night to the mac and cheese. Dada don't tell me if you hear my space. Cause every man chat and every man bleed. And I don't tell them now guns like this.
I said don't left you all mac and cheese. Don't left you 19 the whole mac and cheese. You see me when you see the hey, we don't take chat. We dog said that. I like this.
Left you all night to the mac and cheese. Dada don't tell me if you hear my squeeze. Cause every man chat and every man bleed. And I don't tell them now guns like this.
Man said don't left you 90s the whole mac and cheese. Dada don't tell me if you pint and squeeze. Cause every man talk and every man bleed. Hey, I like. You know, man, I like this. I like the whole sample of the old skill too.
Like this, them
they not go like this.
I mean, I like them. So me rise up, be bird and contact friends. Scope to your fire and a contact lens talk. Rich nigga brain splash pump.
Oh, yeah, man, them not like them. I like them. So me rise up, the bird and contact friends. Scope from far and contact lens. Boy, I can do that. Hey.
Place not the gun, man. Race tell a dog, man. I race not upon boy. Yes, in a brain left.
Yeah, man, gun nozzle in your ears, boy. Yeah, man, bullet attack on your mouth, your ears drum you out. Hey, come in, bro. Come in.
For big space.
Your life, my youth. Yeah, man, listen to your death, man. Sound of death, man, listen.
Joe said them can't make a them face. So tell a pussy that run up. Teach them enough up. Whole place no man. Skippa that now.
Tell them run up, no man. Leads enough up, no man. We have money for fight war, no man. Come on, no man. Talk truth, no man. Believe, no man. Come in, no man. I like the video song bad. Like them.
Say them rich but really them poor.
Yeah.
Oh, you a banger and a sweep on the floor. You thief for one food with thief credit score.
Oh, class. Say they were banger about them. Hey, nigga. Was this a raw cash diss at the time and we ain't know? Eh? Was this a raw cash diss at the time and we didn't know, bro? Bro, me just get round to it. So this nigga probably dropped this 3 weeks ago and then. Oh shit, God, he dropped this like 3 weeks ago. Raw cash dropped like 4. So he probably. Oh shit.
Say them rich but really them poor. Oh, you a banger and a sleep on the floor. You thief for one food with thief
credit score. Oh, what? Skip them.
But if you go up on Instagram no more. So them rich but really them poor. Me press Mark X pedal to the floor.
Mark X pedal, man. And the dog they are out of the port, them, man. Out of the waffy dog, them, man. Dog wait for a shipment, Skippa. How are you going? You wait for a new shipment for Jack? Make we know how you going now, man. Talk truth now, man. Skip that. Rate this out.
Every man want rich but life a chest. My gal a beg me for stop on the cigarettes, but me can't stop. Philippine and my heart back. Bang a dead with the charger. Tell me now stop.
Okay, man saying girl try to stop smoke the cigarette, but he can't. Eh? Feel the pain in the heart back, my G. Boom.
Gotta be my for job
The
that.
heart back. The heart back, you know, man. You feel, I know, a pain that in the back of your heart. You feel like, my G? Come on.
Little kids, I say watch that clocks and a Jordan. Pussy know me as a smart one. Me now left mine. Dog, I coupled up in a this.
I like this song. I like this song. I don't know. It's very dark and moody and thing, but we rock with this.
Say your body and your clock day for check. The money double, yeah, the money backflip. A couple skull pan.
Let's say your bad dog and your Glock demon chip. They know so we make the money back flipping our brother. Yeah, man.
Fishbowl, make them see through this. A 24 pan the new Benz kicks. I put a boy house on my wrist.
Yeah.
I make sure them can't compete this.
Shit. Put a boy house on my wrist, man. Bumbo clad. Make sure say they can't compete with this. You know see me show them say, yo, we different. We're not size. You know see me don't size up, look at you. You know see me and say, yeah, man. Bumbo cleat house my wrist and see me. They live the man who reach your life in a youth. Yeah, man. We not like me and we not like them. Sample bad no blood cleat. Come in, man. Yeah, man. We not like them. Rich together, no, man. Oh, Bomba, the Skipper thing. Rich together. Bomba clean. Yeah, man. Me rate that. Rich together entertainment.
Jordan, is that you?
Yeah, man. Rich together, dog. I'm rate that. Rate that. Rate that. Rich together entertainment. I think that Skipper thing. How they men say rich together, you know. They never yet find each other. Yeah. Thank you for believing. Bomba. Skipper, big up yourself. Bankroller visuals. Skip done. Skip done. Big up your damn self. Long time I rock with you, nigga. We the first nigga on YouTube to ever react to you. And that's facts. I put on everything, nigga. There's him put up on everything. First nigga put to react to your song on YouTube. Nobody knew who he was, kid. And then what the other day, when I deal with Russian, they talk about, oh, who's this Skipper? I'm like, weird, man. Everybody should know who Skipper is. You see me? One Bob, man. You don't know. And look at on dog, you know they doing your thing, bro. Big up your damn self. And use a regular support of the channel too. And you see me? Yeah, man, big up your damn self, Skipper. You're a real youth. You see me? I'm saying? No joke. It's bad like bad like yards, man. Skipper, big up yourself, my G. Keep doing your thing, bro. Sky's the limit, my G. Yeah, man, from the first time you come and say scamming over music, Bob Band and everything, and me say, yo, the youth are different. You see me? You man have a potential in that game, man. You have a space in that game. You see me? I say, yeah, man, I know you do your thing, bro. So keep going, bro. Don't stop. Keep doing your thing. Shoot for the star again. You see me? Sky's the limit, bro. You only getting started, nigga. You're still in your freshman year, my nigga. You see me? You're junior, senior, you're sophomore, junior, or senior year. So imagine what you're gonna do with the next 4, 5, 10 years in the game, nigga. Keep doing your thing, gang. Yeah, so big up yourself. Skipper. Yeah, man, gang. Let me know anything about it one day. Definitely go drop the comments. Definitely, if you like, you should ask some of us support making us a Jambisco and channel. Drop no comments in the comment section. Let's chop it up, man. Skipper. You been rock. Let me see who been rocking with Skipper since day one. Let me see who say nighttime, who say Hellboy, who say Bob. You see me? Let me see all of that in the comment section. You see me and say, yeah, man, who if you've been rocking with Skipper, what's your favorite song from Skipper? You see me and say, what you think about him and the whole rocker situation? You see me? If you're a Skipper fan, let me see it in the comment section. Let's chop it up, man. Let's talk about it. You already know what time it is. Make sure you join in the Discord. You already know what time it is, gang. We lit over here. Best reaction channel on YouTube. But nah, Christ, you don't know what time it is. The next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.